In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to the CapCut program in the Impact.com marketplace. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time without getting lost. The goal here is to find the CapCut listing inside Impact.com, review the program details carefully, and then submit your application properly. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Impact.com marketplace. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you start, because that will help the application process go smoothly and prevent any delays once you're ready to apply. Once you're inside the marketplace, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is the quickest way to find the brand you want. In the search bar, type CapCut, then wait for the results to load. Be careful to choose the correct listing from the search results, especially if you see multiple similar names or related programs. You want the official CapCut profile. When you find the CapCut profile, click on it to open the full program page. This is an important part of the process, so take a moment to review what's on the screen instead of clicking through too quickly. You'll typically see information about the brand, the partnership details, and the program terms. Read through the terms carefully so you understand the expectations, any traffic or content requirements, and anything else that may affect your approval or future promotion strategy. After reviewing the terms, go ahead and click Apply. This will open the application section where you'll be asked to provide details about how you plan to promote the brand. When you fill in your promotion methods, be clear, accurate, and professional. For example, describe the platforms or channels you use and the type of content or audience you focus on. The more relevant and straightforward your description is, the better your application may come across. Once everything is filled out, take a few seconds to review your information before sending it in. This helps you catch any mistakes or incomplete details that could slow things down. When you're satisfied with your application, click Submit, and that's it. You've successfully completed the process of applying to the CapCut program through the Impact.com marketplace. If you're following along, just take your time at each stage, especially when reviewing the terms and writing your promotion methods, because those details